Hi everyone, Rob here from Bigtank, and today's vlog is all about two little words, so and what. The so what test is really useful when creating marketing content and promotional campaigns, as if you like it's the acid test to whether your messaging and ideas are setting off with the right direction. And how it works is, well, whatever idea you come up with, if you say so what at the end of it to that powerful statement you've come up with, if you can't counter that so what quickly, it's probably not going to deliver any impact with your audience. And as we always preach here, it's the audience that always matter the most. Because if your message isn't tailored to grab their attention and vitally prompt them to click a link, follow a page, pick up the phone or buy a product, it'll just get lost in the social media fog where millions of posts do set off just to get lost, never to be seen again. Now, the so what test is very easy to utilise. For example, for us, we may say, Bigtank have just spent £2,000 on new filming lights. So what? Yeah, so what indeed. But if we say, our new filming lights make for a much nicer filming environment for our clients and they stop interviewees squinting, that is a much harder message to dismiss compared to a so what, as there's a definite positive to us shouting about our new lights. Equally, for an engineering company who may say, we make 1 million widgets a year. You've guessed it, well, so what? But change that message to, we have the capability to handle thousands of orders every single day. And that's now a compelling message to a potential client who might be looking for a partner who can cope with demand. And for my dear friend Dave, who runs a dog-friendly health spa in St Helens, a message that says spa treatments for £45 is a definite so what. But a message that says, want to look and feel fantastic for under 50 quid? That's a much more exciting and compelling proposition. So never lose sight of your audience. So what? I hear you cry, because without an engaged audience, there's no one buying into what you are doing and what you're saying. As ever, guys, if you do want to chat about any campaigns you may have in the pipeline, or you just want to get ideas on how to get your products and services seen online, do please get in touch. Thank you so much for watching, and wherever you are in the world, stay safe and I hope you have a fantastic day.